Hey friends, this is Atif Opier Val and welcome to the update on Bonk. The price of Bonk is still not able to break out this very long-term downtrend and resistance. And while moving to the downside, we have broken down this very long-term uptrend and support as well. That was in fact the support of a very long-term symmetrical triangle. Let me just show you in the 7 days time frame chart. And this is the triangle that I've been showing you for the past several months. And you can see that after getting squeezed inside this triangle, we broke it out. And after the breakout, we had a very, very nice pump. And for a while, we also broke out this very long-term resistance zone. That starts from point double zero double zero $4 and goes to 4.4. That was previously breaking as a resistance zone here, resistance zone here, resistance zone here. And after the breakout, on the daily time frame chart, you can see that for several days, it has been breaking as a support zone, but finally we broke it down. And after the breakdown, it was again flipped into a resistance zone. And after this rejection, we had a big drop. And at the same time, it is not able to break out this downtrend and resistance for the past several weeks or months. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I have also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of Feb 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this is the trade setup for Jest, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this signal I shared on 14th of Feb 2025 with my members. And here you can also find the complete trade setup as well. Like this is the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. You can see the first the price line again re-entered the buying zone. Then we had a very, very nice reversal. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Bonk. And this is the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days since after 17th of November 2024, it is getting rejected by this downtrend and resistance. Here we had a long spike beyond this resistance, but could not break it out. Again, it was happened here, and it was rejected by the way. During this spike to the upside, it was rejected by this long-term resistance line that starts from 40 and goes to point double zero double zero $44. That was previously breaking as a resistance here and support here. And if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that here in the month of December 2023, it was working as a resistance zone, and here in the month of May 2024, it was also working as a resistance zone. Therefore, again, it worked as a very, very strong resistance, and the price then dropped down, and we broke down this very long-term uptrend line support. That was, in fact, the support of a very big and long-term symmetrical triangle. You can see that after the breakout from this triangle, we had a nice pump, but now we have lost this uptrend line support. Therefore, now if the price line starts another reversal from here, then it can work as a very, very strong resistance. By the way, if the price line starts another reversal from here, right now we are moving at this long-term support of point double zero double zero $1.212. And at the moment, the price line is slightly moved down than the support. In case of breaking it down, it can drop down to the next long-term support of 933. But in case of another price reversal from here, we will first need to break out this very, very strong and long-term resistance zone that starts from 1416 and goes to 1506. That was previously breaking as support zone here and resistance zone here, and therefore again it can work as a very, very strong resistance. By the way, here it was also working as a support zone as well recently on 3rd of Feb 2025. And after breaking out this resistance zone, an imminent move will be possible up to this long-term uptrend and resistance, and the pricing can hit this resistance somewhere here, approximately at point $0.00247. And over there, we will have a crisscross of two resistance levels. One will be this long-term resistance of 2479. Another one will be this uptrend line resistance. And if the price then breaks out this resistance, these two resistance level, then an imminent move is possible up to this long-term resistance zone once again. That starts from 40 and goes to point $0.0044. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.